According to the Cambridge Dictionary, domestication is an act of bringing animals or plants under human control in order to provide food, power, or company. Unknowingly, humans have domesticated fellow humans to follow their personal dreams or desires. It is still happening now while you are watching this video, all thanks to the frontal brain. This frontal lobe is responsible for functions such as memory, emotions, impulse control, problem solving, social interaction, and movement of muscles. Changes in our emotions and of course behaviors are highly dependent on our environment. As a child grows, he or she learns what is good and bad. Learning includes culture, heritage, definition of families, friends, and even social or political alignment. WYSIATI is the acronym for what you see is all there is. A cognitive bias described by Daniel Kahneman in his book Thinking Fast and Slow, which explains that people take decisions, judge, and transmit information based on what they have seen or experienced. Each time I open the head in the operating room, I do not know the person's race, gender, political alignment, etc. So you begin to wonder how humans have divided and regrouped themselves, sometimes to do harm to each other. It seems that you are out of the line if you are not part of a group. In 1984, Dr. Robert Cialdini wrote a book called Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion. The most significant aspect of this book are his 6 principles of influence. These are reciprocity, commitment and consistency, social proof, authority, liking, and scarcity. Using influence, you can get one of the most important assets, other people's time. You can get people to do what you want. Always remember ethics and moral. Creating systems is one of the ways to incorporate culture to group of people, everyone working for one objective. There is an economic system at national level, educational system, company system in building business, etc. So next time you are protesting, fighting for your right, killing yourself about a religion, tribe, or company, always ask yourself if you're a slave to someone or system. This is how to free yourself from domestication. Number 1, look around you. Understand if you are influenced by another person's decision. Number 2, begin to ask questions. René Descartes said that if you be a real seeker after truth, it is necessary, at least for once in your life, to doubt as far as possible all things. Number 3, find the truth. This can be done through selected reading, investigation, listening to people. Number 4, act on the truth. And finally, always remember this quote by John Maxwell. When you want to do something new, there are many people who will tell you not to do it. When they see that they can't stop you, they will tell you how you have to do it. And finally, when you have been successful, they will say that they always believed in you.